this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I got something. My wife picked me up at the store this weekend, because our car still doesn't work, and yeah. So we got the loaner, but we can't get the two car seats in the car. One will work, the other one won't. What's the deal? This is Szechuan Baijia Mian, what is it? Mian Ling Mian artificial beef flavor rice noodle. Fancy package. Fancy. And this one is a steeping variety. That means basically you do it like a cup noodle. So let's get everything all together and I'll share the wonderful bounty that is today with you. What do you think of that? Is that a little too much? A little too cheesy? Well, I'm not adding cheese to this other than my own talking. So we got a sachet with a dry seasoning. We've got a sachet with another dry sachet with, I'm gonna guess, vegetability, and a sachet with liquid stuff. All right. And then we need to add our rice noodle. That's what we got right here. Crack this open. These are just, I wish they could come up with a better way to bundle these. They always end up like sprinkling the loose little bits all over the place. Well, I guess this is the best way to do it. I'm doing it, opening it up in a container. So this needs to hang out for 5 minutes. Covered. Just totally submerged. I'm gonna flip it over once. It is like a bird's nest, but I'm pretty sure there's no bird's nest in this or it would be more expensive. Yeah, bird's nest. I've never tried it and I really want to. Alright. So. And 5 minutes on the clock. And we're rolling. So what did you guys do this weekend? I know your weekend, if it is a weekend, was like, it's way in the far-flung future compared to where I'm at. It was cold. It was bitter cold. I tried to go out walking and stuff. Didn't get a lot done, honestly. But got a new hat at the thrift store. Check it out. It's a Cuban World Baseball hat. So, I don't know. I've never been to Cuba. But if people know that I have a hat and it says Cuba, it says Cuba on it. So, Cuba. Let's do our quote of the day. I also got Mimi a couple My Little Ponies at the thrift store. One's from 1982 and one's from 1983. No, I am not a brony. But, she's stoked. I got them for half price. They wanted way too much for them. But now they're like in the range of like a little cheaper than what they're selling for on eBay. So, Number 207, a person who can accept criticism will grow, while one who is self-indulgent will be stunted at that point. Okay, now, what happens every once in a while? We have the Monopoly game at the grocery store. Look at all these tickets. Look at that. Look. These things are fun, man. These are the grocery store Monopoly game tickets, and I like to do that. Hey! Hi. Are you done? Oh, why don't you say hi to the nice people in TV land? Right there.
Hi to the nice people.
Here you go.
We're watching Dora.
Are you guys watching Dora the Explorer? Well, do you think we're a winner? Yeah? Yeah, sure. We've got 50 cents off Cheez-It or Keebler crackers, assorted variety. Do you like the cheese? He likes Cheez-Its. He does not like cheese nips, though. Remember, when you're done, wash your hands. Okay, thank you. Miles is all done with school for today. Redbox rentals. We don't do that. We don't have a DVD player, actually. Why don't we have a DVD player? Because that's for the car. Unfortunately, the car is still not around. I'm hoping it'll be here before my birthday, which is... This one's a zip. Zilch, nothing. My birthday is directly in the middle of March. In fact, my birthday's on Pi Day, if you really wanted to know. I'm gonna be 46. That's a good thing. 50 cent sauce, Nabisco, Chips Ahoy cookies. Don't really like those. Well, there's some over there. There's some over there in front of the couch, buddy. In front of the couch. Whoa, careful. You don't need a new package of wipes. Okay, what's this one say? How much time we got left? Oh, we only got a minute left to peel these things up.
I'm gonna catch you.
What?
I'm gonna catch you.
You gonna catch me?
Yeah.
That's craziness. You wash your hands?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Well, where's the thing to throw away? Go wash your hands. They're out there. Look under the blanket, maybe. Yeah, lots of tickets. Lots of little tickets. It looks like a nice day out. I'm in here. Hopefully they'll go back to school sometime soon. That's gonna be weird though. That is gonna be really weird. I'm so used to having them here. It'll be short-lived though, because summer's really not that far off. 50 cents off of Ocean Spray cranberry juice. Miles! Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Where's the thing to throw away? One moment. You're good. All right, hands are in the state of Washington. Good. All right. You don't like this song or that song?
Yeah.
Yeah. Rice noodles, huh? Interesting. I wonder how these are going to be. I have a feeling this is going to be pretty good. I'm just hopeful. All right, all done?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Is that it? Okay. Come here. Super fast. Come here. You want your tablet? Can you drink?
Yeah.
Right. There. Boop. Good job, sir. That was no problem. Yeah.
That's my turn.
Here's your tablet.
Thank you.
And here is your beverage.
Thank you.
I salute you, sir. Excellent job. He doesn't like his ouches getting anything on him, so that went very well. Growing every day. All right, let's give this a try. Artificial beef rice noodle from the folks at Szechuan Baijia out of China. Wow, that's hot. And that is some deep broth. Look at that. Ooh. Nice rich beef flavor. And then we got our little, I don't know what kind of beans these are. I want to say they're soybeans, but they seem kind of small. I could take those or leave those. But this is a good one. I like this gauge of rice noodle. Yeah, that's good. It's funny too. I'm glad I looked at the expiration date because this one expires on Friday. I'm sure it would be good past that, but I don't do reviews of stuff anymore. Well, not I really did. I used to eat stuff, but I don't do anything that's expired. It's like doesn't put the company's best foot forward. So try to keep it all good. Look at that. Yeah. And I've got some beef that I fried up a little bit earlier. Came out pretty good. Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right. We have some coriander. And these are a little too stocky, so I'm going to get rid of a little bit of that. And I saw somebody in the group the other day asking if it was okay to eat the stalks from coriander, and yeah, absolutely. It's not going to kill you. Not going to end in anything horrible happening to you if you do. There's a shroom. A mushroom. Let me make it look brothful. That's one thing when I do these kind of things. I don't like ingredients to look too bleached or stark. It just ruins it, I think. I like things to have a nice look to them. That's why chicken can be a real pain in the butt. You might ask, how can chicken be a pain? Well, that's how. As long as it looks like really stark and funkety. All right, and it's sunny out. That's great. That makes all my pictures look so much better. That's really what I like to do, is provide enjoyable photography. Let's allow this to rotate and have some music. Enjoy. Why not? Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. This was a variety from China. And a pretty darn good one, I might add. So, I want you to know that Chinese varieties are some of the best in the world, as are Taiwanese, as are Singaporean, as are Malaysian, as are Thai. Don't be afraid to explore, and don't think twice about trying new things. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hey, wait a second. These might pique your curiosity. This is some Panda Signature. This has been a really controversial brand. I did a unboxing video of this stuff. This came from a reader in Montana. And their Walmart switched over to having all of these. It sounds like all of them everywhere have switched from having Marachon to this. So, a lot of people don't seem to like them. They're not the worst I've had, but definitely not the best either. So, get to see one of these tomorrow. This is the chili lime flavor. Alright, have a good one. Bye.